What's the meaning of canasta? Canasta. Canasta.
Canasta. Canasta. Canasta is a card game that originated in Uruguay in the 1940s and became popular worldwide in subsequent years. It is played with two standard decks of cards and requires at least 2 players. The objective is to score points by melding cards into groups of the same rank or sequences of the same suit. The game also involves strategic play, such as blocking your opponent from adding to your melds or stealing their melds. Canasta can be played for fun or competitively, and has variations such as Samba and Bolivia.